Hi, my name is Hunter, like a person that goes hunting. I went to the workshop yesterday and I learned how to present myself, what I want, and then let them speak. There were some tips that I went over with Tiger personally, and then how our body language is supposed to be, our facial expressions, how we're supposed to look, and that workshop was really informational. Also, the suit up part is also very not nerve-wracking at all. You got people to help you at all steps. Even if you don't know anything about suits, like me, I didn't know anything, and I found like 6 different suits, and everyone's so friendly, and it's such a wonderful experience, and you have to come and next year to this presentation.
The thing that stood out for me at the SuitUP Hero workshop was not only Mr. Todd's, charisma and the great way he's able to speak to the crowd, but the way that he was able to relate everything. Like I'm a huge movie buff, and the way that he was able to relate so many different things to movies really spoke to me.
My name is Brenea Palmer. A couple of things that I'll use from this workshop are definitely the tips to talk louder, eye contact, body language. There's a whole lot of other things, the 7 steps that he had on the paper. I'm not really comfortable with interviews just because, like he was talking about, they are strangers, but I'm going to take the introducing our names and how like that invites an open conversation to not be a stranger.
My name's Anna, like Anna Banana, and what I remember the most is writing a thank you note to the person you turn in your application.
Hi, my name is Cameron Pennock, and I love Tiger. I love that he shares passion for movies with me. And I love the advice he gave about always shaking people's hands before presentations, because then they're not strangers anymore and it's easy. I'm gonna definitely use that. Thanks, Tiger. Love you.
Okay, my name is Dagum. I was at the workshop with Tiger Todd. It was really awesome. I learned a lot, especially about the resume part. It's really important, so I really enjoyed it. Thank you guys.
What stood out to me about the workshop was how everyone was accommodated in the different stages that they were in their careers.
So the thing that stood out to me was definitely the animals reference. So I was like, oh wow, I guess I'm a turtle, which is dope. See, exactly, turtles are dope. And how I introduced myself, I was honestly thinking about this all night long, because I was like, wow, my name is Mark, so I can't go exclamation mark because that's not a thing. So I was like, question mark. And I was like, I don't want to be a question mark, that's weird. So I was like, a punctuation mark, ends the sentence. Keeps it together.
Okay. 1 second.
Yeah, you're good.
I had a quote that I wrote down. I'm going to say
Oh,
it.
that's so good. Okay.
Yeah.
Took a bunch of notes. Okay. Can I have my phone out while I do this?
Yeah, of course you can.
Right. Tell me when.
When?
All right. So I learned at the workshop yesterday a bunch of different things that I can use in my future to be successful. One of the quotes that stood out for me that Tiger had said, if you have a why to live for, you can put up with any how. And I felt that right in my heart, where anytime I'm struggling, I know that I just need to keep my head up and be fearless.
That is so awesome. You even wrote that down in your phone?
I wrote them all down.
That is so good. That's so awesome. And so do you remember when he was like, okay, if you're going to introduce yourself, do it memorably?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'm Jacob with a K.
Sweet. Thank you so
What
much.
stood out to me yesterday was introduce yourself with
So in this case, you said you're more 31, and what's 31?
something different about yourself, I guess. And I introduced myself as Joanne at the craft store.
So yesterday's workshop for me was just hearing the different steps of going and getting a job and how to be successful in the future.
What I learned from the workshop yesterday was that you can have different passions, whether you choose to get a bachelor's in business. You can also continue to go to law school and use those and put the skills together and keep moving forward. From now on, when I introduce myself, I would probably say, hi, my name is Lavera, like aloe vera. It took me a while. It's a good one though.
What I remember about yesterday's workshop is that it's all about me, it's my time to shine, and to go in with confidence and to sell myself. Hi, my name is Lydia, like the tattooed lady.
The thing I remember most about the workshop was the different personality traits, and that I'm a turtle and I shouldn't be upset that I'm the the person that problem solves and figures out what will be wrong just to help the company out, and it's not a bad thing and not negative thinking.
What stood out at the Heroes Workshop for me was when Tiger Todd talked about when you introduce yourself, making sure that people know who you are, and you need to say their name at least, your name at least 3 times. And you can do it by saying, like if your name is Tiger, you say Tiger like Tony the Tiger, or something to make the person remember your name. That's a great piece of advice. I also love all of his philosophical things because he's a well-read person who, some of the books, maybe 2 of the books I had read before, so I was just, his knowledge base is so great, and his delivery is so great. So it inspired me, so I know when I go on my interview today that I have a lot of confidence. Hi, I'm Melody Light, and I would say like a light melody, but I'm Melody Light.
What stood out to me yesterday from the workshop was the hots, the howls, hares, owls, turtles, and squirrels. I definitely found out that I'm more of like a squirrel. Like I can't really pay attention, but I like to act on things. So Isaac Newton, like Isaac Newton, the guy that discovered gravity.
What stood out to me the most from yesterday, from yesterday's SuitUP work event, is like everything we need to know about employment. Positive attitude, learning how to get back up from rejections, and I know that we receive rejections from jobs we apply for, but just because of that, we shouldn't let it discourage us, because we're not going to get accepted for everything we do in life. Obviously, the reason why we receive rejection in life is to learn and help us do better for the future. My name is Simon, and I say, please remember my name. Simon says, please remember his name.
What stood out to me most about the workshop was the process of understanding how to connect with people in a way that not many people will know about. I think that's pretty much the majority of the thing I got from the workshop. And I'm sorry, I'm not good with this
No,
stuff.
that's awesome. You did great. And so based on yesterday's workshop, now how would you introduce yourself after what you learned from Tiger yesterday?
I feel a lot more confident doing it, and I think I feel a lot more ready to, I feel more in a higher position to take on a job than I did before. I would say my name is Daniel, like Lieutenant Dan from Forrest Gump.
What stood out in the workshop yesterday was like about the movie quotes, and what he said about the difference between humans and animals is that we learn what we become. And then here, there were so many like suits and things that we try on, and shoes of course, and yeah, this took quite a while to find, but you know, still found it.
Alright, so what stood out to me during the Hero Workshop was actually a personal story he told me about someone he knew from TB3, I believe it was. I just applied for a UFC internship that they haven't gotten back to me yet, so I'm gonna go straight to the office, leave my application at the security desk, and then write them a thank you note expressing my gratitude for the time of day, and see what happens from there.
My name is Marina Costa, and one of the things that I remembered yesterday was when he talked about that we're not afraid of communicating. We're not afraid of communicating, but we're afraid of communicating with strangers, and that is why when we go to a job fair, we should not be afraid. You know, immediately introduce yourself, and then that way you're no longer a stranger, and that way it will help you, you know, getting a job.
Yeah, so yesterday, what was most memorable for me would be the 7 steps actually. They were so clearly laid out. There's something I can really focus on. And another really interesting part was how to introduce myself. So Tiger is obviously Tiger like the animal, and I'm going to be Muhammad like the boxer, or maybe the greatest.
I thought it was great. The people there bought the instructions, they were very clearly to explain what they truly did to make where they are today, which is very nice to see that someone show like what they done to their life, which is great.
What stood out to me most about the workshop was just the knowledge and experience that all of the speakers gave. It was very insightful for me, and I learned a lot.
I attend UNLV. I attended the workshop yesterday, and I learned about how important it is to focus on your resume. And as I'm about to graduate in May, I plan on perfecting my resume so that when I go to apply for jobs, I'll be able to get a job quickly.
Like, my name is Akhil, and like the things that I remember, like how to introduce yourself to the interviewer, and how what things should you keep in mind, like when you are talking to, how to when you are shaking your hand with the interviewer, what things should be in your mind and what things should reflect from that.
About public speaking, they say that's the number one fear that people don't. That's the one that people fear most. That's what I
And yesterday in the workshop, I learned a lot about job opportunities. I also had a chance to speak with, I don't know his name, but you know, the one who was talking. And he was basically saying that success is a choice and anything is possible.
Great, thank you.
Amy Lee Piper, and yesterday's workshop was really fun, and I learned a lot of going to a job interview, and I'm ready.